Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share a couple of cards with you for My Creative Time, as well as Saturday Morning Mix and hashtag Two Crafters, One Design. But before I get started, today is the last day for My Creative Time's 15% off sale. So you're gonna wanna make sure you head over and get you some of these goodies. You have until midnight Pacific Standard Time. The code is July 2022. July is in caps. So make sure you get all that right. I'll have her links down below, along with all of the products that I am using today. All right, so head over to My Creative Time and get you some of these goodies. Now, let's jump in with these cards. Using all of those colors, hopefully you can see that. There you go. And I'm also using this Prima marker, as well as this Prisma color marker, Scarlet Red. All right, the ink that I'm using there is VersaFine Clear. Let's jump into the My Creative Time products. So I'm using this little guy, as well as this, and this. Oh, and I did use this as well. So hopefully you can see all of those. All right, the papers, and for both card sets, I am using Crafty Friend. Let's get Crafty. And then I'm also using Hey Crafty Friend. The yellow. This one here, I use the one with the specks and a little bit of blue as well. Oh, and I also got that reddish looking color too. All right. So that was that. For this one here, I am using the A2 Fancy Frame layer dies, as well as the A2 Fancy Frame dies. So I layered those together. For this card, I also used, in the inside of this card, I used Happy Birthday Crafty Friend. And then Make a Wish came from this set here, which is Celebrate You. And there goes the Make a Wish. If I didn't say before, this one's called Crafty Friend. Then from her July release, which she just released these, so make sure you head over and get these. Anyways, it's pretty scallop ovals as well as pretty oval layers. So I used both of those, and then that cupcake came from a previous release, which is an ice cream die, but I used it as a cupcake. So you got options there for those, but that's what I used it for. All right, let's take a closer look at these cards. I love that. So I colored up the outside of this yellow to match the yellow that was in the paper pack. And then there goes that Hey Crafty Friend. This little cute little guy there is holding that paintbrush, and so I gave him a little splatter of red on the tip, and along with those little dots down there. I thought he turned out pretty cute, and it's perfect to send hugs to a crafty friend. So that's the inside, and that's that. And then this one here, oh, I didn't tell you that I also used these Jillian Bean enamel dots. They're shaped in stars, and I love how that paper, that paint splatter paper in the back looks. Just too cute. It was perfect. And then added those little sprinkle dots that comes with her set as well, and popped it on there. It looks super cute. I thought that was perfect. And then I wanted to bring everything together by Happy Birthday Crafty Friend, since I had Let's Get Crafty on the back side of that paper, and that was just perfect. And I also added those pretty scallop layer dies in the inside. So those are my cards to share with you today. I am going to leave My Creative Time's links to everything that I used today, along with her new release. So make sure you go over and get you some of these goodies. Don't forget to use that code for your discount, which is capital letters July 2022. And I think that's it. So you'll find all the links down below. You all have a blessed and crafty day.